Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we are in Unit 9 Ratio Analysis and today we are going to see illustration problem number 7. Right. So, from the following balance sheet of Aruna Limited, as on 31st March 2019, calculate debt equity ratio, proprietary ratio and capital gearing ratio. Now I have taught you individually how to calculate debt equity ratio, proprietary ratio and capital gearing ratio. In this problem you're going to see the combination of, you're going to find out all the three ratios in this, right? Now you're going to find out first, because you're going to read the problem first before you find out the ratios. They've given you the liability side. There you have your current liability, you have your non-current liability and your shareholders fund, right? So which is 10 lakhs. And then they've given you the asset side. In the asset side you have your non-current assets and your current assets, inventories, receivables, cash and current assets, expenses paid in advance, etc. So what are they asking you to find out first? They're asking you to find out debt equity ratio. Fine. So let us first find out debt equity ratio. So let us go to the formula first. What is debt equity ratio? Debt equity ratio. What is the formula for debt equity ratio? Long term debt. The long term debt divided by shareholders fund. Fine. So first let us find out what are all the long term debt. All your things are here. So long term debt, you have your debenture. So long term debt. Okay, working column 4 lakhs long term debt. And what is your shareholders fund? Shareholders fund is a combination of all this: equity capital, preference capital and reserves and surplus. So that is 3 plus 2, 5 lakhs, right? That is 5 lakhs. Okay, now that you have the detail, I think we can complete the problem, right? So debt equity is only rupees 4 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs. So that comes to how much? 4 divided by 5. 4 by 5. So I think previously also I taught you how to calculate. Yeah, 5 will go here, not go here. So let us bring. So 8 5s are 40, right? So how do you find out the ratio here? 0.8 is to 1. Right? Okay, now what is the next ratio they're asking us to find out? They're asking us to find out proprietary ratio. Okay, followed by capital gearing ratio. So proprietary ratio. Proprietary ratio. Proprietary ratio is what? What is the formula for proprietary ratio? Shareholders fund divided by total assets. Shareholders fund we already have here. You have calculated 5 lakhs. Rupees 5 lakhs you have. Okay, now what is the total assets? The total asset is what here? You can see 10 lakhs. That's the total asset, right? So 10 lakhs. All you have to do is only remember your formula. Okay. Once you remember the formula, it's very easy for you. 10 lakhs. So you have 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 10. So 5 will go here once, 5 will go here 2. So 1 is to 2. If you want, you can further divide it. 0.5 is to 1. What you have to do, simplify. Fine. It's capital gearing ratio. What is capital gearing ratio? Capital gearing ratio formulas. So we have learned it. Funds bearing fixed interest and fixed dividend, right? divided by what? Equity shareholders fund. So let us go to the problem and find out what is that fixed interest bearing funds. See, I can just mark here. See, preference share capital, you're going to get fixed dividend. Here you're going to get fixed interest. Okay, so for the numerator you'll be having 2 lakhs plus your 4 lakhs. So that comes to your 6 lakhs. Right, rupees 6 lakhs. Right. Then equity shareholders fund you have. Equity shareholders fund 1,50,000 plus what you have here, reserves and surplus. Now I'll circle it for you. Here, just circle it for you. So that comes to total 1,50,000 plus 1,50,000. So that comes to 3 lakhs. Right. So 6 lakhs divided by 3 lakhs. So 6 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs by 3 lakhs. So again, cancel it. 6 by 3, 3 will go here 1, 3 will go here 2. So 2 by 1. So 2 is to 1. That is your capital gearing ratio. Okay, children. Next I'll teach you exercise problem number 7. Right? Okay. Thank you.